This is Firewalla Blue. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. This is the new Firewalla Blue. This device will protect your home or small business networks from intrusions, malware, hackers, and all sorts of threats that are out in the internet. The growth of IoT devices, from security cameras, thermostats, light bulbs, outlets, appliances, tablets, can all be vulnerable to threats. This device will give you peace of mind and get great insight into your network. The company sent this out for me to review. I have included the link in the description below for the product. I've also done a review of the Firewalla Red, the first device that was released. You can find the link at the end of the video and in the description below as well. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on future videos, and give it a thumbs up as well. So let's take a look. The Firewalla Blue comes with an Ethernet cable, the power cord, and the outlet adapter. The unit is the same size as the red version. On the front, you have the port for the power and the micro SD card slot that holds the code that runs the device. It's a 16 GB card. The sides have the cutout for it to vent. And on the back, you have a gigabit interface, which is an upgrade from the previous model, and a USB port. It's less than 2 inches wide and has a height of just a little over 1 inch. And now just a quick comparison between the red and the blue model. The red model has a packet process of 100 megabits, 512 megabytes of memory, active protect entries of 1000, 32-bit quad-core ARM 1 GHz CPU, 28 megabit VPN encryption speed, 16 GB SD card, and is perfect for those that have less than 100 megabit of internet speed and less than 50 devices in their network. It can be used for home and business. The blue model has a packet processing of over 500 megabits, 1024 memory, active protect entries of 10,000, 64-bit quad-core ARM 1 GHz CPU, 70 megabit VPN encryption speed, 16 GB SD card, and this is ideal for those that have greater than 100 megabit internet speed and a lot of devices on your network. This can be used for home and business as well. Installation is quick and easy and works with the majority of the routers out on the market. Use the supplied Ethernet cable and plug it into the back of the Firewalla, and plug the other end to an available Ethernet port on your router. Insert the power cable and power up the devices. Download the Firewalla app and launch it. Once launched, you will see a new Firewalla icon, and just tap to begin the setup. Find the QR code that came with your device and scan it, and it will just be a few moments after the scan to complete the process. The main dashboard of the Firewalla Blue will have a lot of information about your network. I will not go over each one, as you can view my previous video on the Firewalla Red. I've gone over each of the settings. So as you can see, there are 25 devices currently on my network. The above graph gives you the traffic flow of the last 30 days. You have options to look at the alarms, rules, your device list in the middle, and right below that you have some of the features from VPN settings, ad block, family protect, dynamic DNS, open ports, monitoring, and social hour. Here is just a sample of one of the devices on the device list. You can drill down into it and see additional information along with controlling some of the features, such as blocking access. Clicking on the graph above will give detailed network flow of the device. The Firewalla Blue. I'm a big fan of the Firewalla devices. Having used the red since the beginning of the year, it has worked flawlessly and given me peace of mind that my network is protected. With the release of the blue, it adds additional power to an already great device. Installation was simple, and so far I have not ran into any issues. If you are looking for more processing power and have internet speeds that is greater than 100 megabits, then blue is definitely the way to go. I highly recommend having some sort of protection for your home network, especially with all the different types of devices that can connect. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care, everyone.